I'm not gatekeeping this hidden gem, sharing with you Aurora's Cottage in Lian, Batangas. Only 700 per head for an overnight stay. Free open cottage, free tent pitching, may sakit spa. You can grill, pwedeng magpaluto, and the caretakers are super accommodating. Comfort and shower rooms are clean and convenient. May sabitan, may patungan, may shower head. Aminin nyo guys, sa ibang resort, butas ang bunbunan nyo. And the most exciting part, yung sunset. Calm waves, fine sand, absolutely breathtaking. Perfect spot for campers, barkada rides, or just your next takas at pahinga. So if you're looking for a peaceful beach camp that's budget-friendly and well-maintained, this is it. Aurora's Cottage in Lian, Batangas. Sharing this para ikaw na ang next na makakita ng ganito kagandang view.